Green marketing self-assessment. It's clear from studies and trends that consumers are actively looking for sustainable companies. Companies in the fashion industry that are taking bold stands against waste and quick consumption products are highly favored. Thanks to the internet, consumers are often able to discover if a company is making green claims that cannot be substantiated. This will very likely hurt its credibility in a lasting way. Fashion companies must come to terms with the fact that a more distrusting consumer expects full transparency across the value chain. Given the need to regain that trust, fashion players will have to examine long-standing practices across their businesses. Lucie Jufer developed a rating scheme that discloses a company's true engagement towards more sustainable operations. The tool can be used by consumers and also as a self-assessment tool for every company or fashion designer who wants to build green practices in their fashion endeavors. It focuses on four main areas: environment, like the resources used, recycling, etc. The societal area, that considers labor practices, product traceability, etc. Sustainable management, that tackles the brand's communication on the topic, their strategies and their brand identity. And fair marketing, describing the way of advertising its sustainability practices. For self-assessment, every area of the rating scheme represents a checklist of criteria and indicators. For each indicator the rating score goes from 0, the lowest, to 3, the highest. Companies that decide to use this rating scheme should try to be sincere and self-critical. The indicators should give an idea on how to improve the performance towards greater sustainability. The rating can also be used for benchmarking different fashion brands from a consumer perspective. The first area covers the environmental rating of the business by analyzing aspects like, for example, how much organic cotton or recycled materials are used, the carbon footprint, the transparency, etc. The societal self-rating covers the social dimension of the business by focusing in workers' rights, community impacts, certifications, etc. The sustainable management self-rating refers to communication, sustainable strategy and brand philosophy. The analysis focuses on how the sustainability is considered in the company and how is integrated in its values. Fair marketing area mirrors all three areas of sustainability in marketing communications. In particular, on how the claims of sustainability are accurate, plausible and true.